Hello good peoples, this is the most interesting hack out of many I have tried. Today I am showing you another interesting hack. Let's watch together how this happened. I saw it online and decided to try. The result is actually very interesting. Let's watch together to the end of this video to see how it works. Well, get yourself a baking powder from your kitchen, not a baking soda. Remember, do not confuse between baking powder and baking soda. This is baking powder. Add around 1 tablespoon of baking powder in a bowl, and then you will need a powder. The normal powder we know. I use the Baby Johnson's powder. Add around 1 teaspoon, half of tablespoon into the baking powder, and then the Coke. Well, the Coke with no sugar. I used the Coke with no sugar. I don't know about the other Coke, the ordinary Coke. I used the Coke with no sugar. I added some amount, around 10 milliliters. Actually, I used the bottle cap to measure it 1 full. The next you will need from your kitchen is just a tomato. I cut it into half. We need around 1 full tablespoon of tomato juice. Well, I use the grater to make a tomato paste, and then strain it using a strainer to make a tomato juice. It was a little bit heavy. I decided to strain it into a finer strainer to get a finer juice. Well, I'm done. What next? Adding full tablespoon of tomato juice into the 3 ingredients. Well, let's mix to make a paste. Will this really work? I will apply a pattern to try it. I will just apply a pattern onto my leg here. A sample pattern to see how this works. After leaving for 5 minutes, then I took the Coke, the remaining Coke, and pour onto the skin where I applied the paste. Well, the hair looks softer than the other part. Well, wow, boom. See, the hair is removed. This is really interesting. No pain, no itchy. Wow, it worked. This is really interesting. Thank you guys for watching. You can try it by yourself. For me, I saw it very interesting. Remember to subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.